Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Molidia Kusmawati, and today I'm going to share my opinion about the motion. This house believes that university students should wear uniform. So here is my opinion. University students should wear uniform in order to create a better educational environment because of some reasons. First and foremost, uniform can increase student focus on the learning process rather than on what they wear. When students don't have clothing to notice, comment, or respond, they can spend more energy on learning. Some people feel students are better able to concentrate on school when they are wear the same clothing. Secondly, uniform teach to improve discipline for university students. An Australian study concluded that students wearing uniform were more disciplined and they listened significantly better. Classes were also more likely to start on time. Researchers in Australia also noted that students who wear uniform have improved discipline and academic performance. It is proved by a study of University of Houston found saying that students' language test score increased by about 3 percentile points after uniform were introduced. It also makes them look neat and tidy because when no fashion accessories and fancy clothes are allowed in university, students are less likely to break disciplinary rules. Also, the design of uniform is usually elegant, which makes the student look decent. The next is because uniform create a level playing field among students. The students with a high socio-economic may wear a branded clothes that can be afforded by students from the low economic level. It may make the poor children feel left out because they are different. When students don't wear a school uniform, it can be easy to spot kids with the most and least economic privilege based on what they wear to school. When kids wear uniforms, visible class markers between rich person and poor persons are decreased or eliminated, which may lead to more social mixing along economic lines. There will be no competition about dresses in the latest trend, which will put a great deal of financial pressure on students. In other words, by wearing a uniform, it will erase a gap between students and feel equal because when all the students wear the same clothes, they don't compare each other in terms of being rich or poor. They consider everybody as the same as each and every student in the school look the same. It brings them to be more confident so that they can comfortably communicate to each other. On the other hand, they don't need to be confused about what they are going to wear because some people don't like to wear the same outfit too often. Then it will cause a hedonism where they will buy a lot of clothes so that they can wear a different clothes every day. But if there is a uniform, it may spend less money in university clothes. There is less pressure to buy expensive name branded clothing, and school uniforms might be more affordable. In addition, when children wear uniform, it helps them in saving a lot of times as they don't have to select different clothes to wear every day. The same uniform has to be worn every day to university and students just have to take them out and wear them. It also reduces peer pressure and bullying. Potential bullies have one less target for their insult, but it's hard to make fun of what someone is wearing where they are dressing exactly the same. In America, where a majority of schools don't have uniform, probably children miss school every day due to fear of attacks or imitations by other students. This might not be directly linked to what they are wearing, but having a uniform can be a safety net for many students who might otherwise suffer from bullying. So, when all the students look the same in uniform, they don't bully based on the dress, which creates a healthy atmosphere in university. Lastly, uniform can be an identity of their university. Wearing a uniform is a badge of pride, creates an identity for a university, and it's important part of being a university student. Like what Jason Wing, head teacher of the Neom Web Academic in Cambridge, says, uniforms show that you are a part of organizations. Wearing it says we are all in this together. Also, if you wear uniform with pride, it means that you are halfway there to being respectful. Playing into it, the organization is all about. A uniform is also teaching students to dress smartly and take pride in their appearance. In another hand, when all the students wear the same uniform, any students or person entering the university from the outside is easily identified. Wearing uniform also can help everyone um, everyone know they are college student and their university. This is very convenient in many aspects. For instance, if a student do a lot of good things, such as helping old people or returning the things that they have collected, people will think that the students are taught very well at the university, and the university that the students are studying is very good at education. Thus, a university's reputation is spread out, which is very helpful for the university. Besides that, when students do bad things, their school will know more easily and have suitable ways to punish them. All in all, when all students are wearing the same uniform, they are less concerned about how they look and how they fit in their peers, thus they can concentrate on their schoolwork. That's all my opinion about wearing uniform in university. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next occasion.